Hello and welcome back to the channel. For this week's video, I'm making Snickerdoodle cookies. For the uninitiated, Snickerdoodle cookies are more of a North American thing and haven't really been popular in Australia, but we are starting to see them in the occasional cafe down here. We are going to start with creaming 225 grams of unsalted butter. Because it's winter here, my butter is not playing nicely, but putting the butter in the microwave for 15 seconds will help with that and to soften it up a bit more. Once the butter is a little bit lighter in colour, we are going to add 1 1/4 cups of white sugar to the butter and continue creaming until well combined. I am then adding 2 eggs, one at a time until they are mixed in, and then our final ingredient is a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And by teaspoon I use that term loosely. Put in as much as you like, just don't put the whole bottle in. For our dry ingredients, we have 3 cups of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to whisk the dry ingredients together and then add them to the wet ingredients, mixing until barely combined. Allow the dough to rest in the fridge for an hour. While the dough is resting, you can preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line the baking trays with baking paper and in a small bowl mix together 1/4 cup of white sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. If you feel like you need more cinnamon or less cinnamon, go with your own judgment. Shape the cookie doughs into balls with an inch diameter, toss them in the sugar and cinnamon mixture, and then place them on the baking tray. Leave about a 2-inch gap between each cookie dough bowl as the mixture can spread. Once all the dough has been rolled into bowls, place the trays into the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Baking time can vary depending on your oven, the temperature of your house, and also the dough, so keep an eye on it from about 9 minutes out. You want the edges to be a little bit of a golden colour, but to be nice and puffy as well. You don't want it to be like tanned. And that is how you make Snickerdoodle cookies. If you've gotten this far into the video, let me know in the comments below what your favourite biscuit or cookie is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.